on? It's your boy Ted the Tech, Brooks Automotive. We in here, man. Got my boy Stimmage over here.
Type shit.
Yeah, we're gonna be working on this 2013 right here, Chevy Camaro. Gonna be putting some front brakes on this motherfucker tonight. Got a scrubbing noise. It's coming from the front. You already know what that is. You're gonna need some pads. The rotor messed up on the backside. We finna get it pulled off and just get it going. Anything you want to say, shout anybody out, drop your IG. Twitter.
Nah, I don't fuck with that Twitter. That Twitter gonna get you in trouble. But hey, add your boy on Instagram, Hollywood_kid1. Snapchat, Nick one time, man, hit me up. I do a little shit, not a whole lot. I just let my bro handle it, man. He got it from here.
Yeah, so what we finna do, finna go and get the thing jacked up in there, get these wheels out. So yeah, first thing first, before you want to change the brakes and everything, you pop the hood on any vehicle, pop the hood, and take that master cylinder cap off. Right here, y'all can see it. I try to zoom in on it. Take your cap off. Because when you push that piston in, you don't want the fluid popping all out and going on that paint and messes good paint up. Now we got it jacked up. Now we finna get the lug nuts off. Gonna get the impact. Gonna get the wheel off. So we got the wheel off, as you can see behind me. Got it off. Now you're gonna wanna take your caliper bolts out, which is gonna be a 14 millimeter. You're gonna run those out. What's going on? Taylor Tech. Here's the lesson of the day. His inside pad, his inside pad, they wore unevenly. But here's the thing. He hearing that scrubbing. He needs some pads. The guy told him he need rotors. Anytime you hearing that scrubbing like that, you probably don't need rotors. Check your rotors first. And what you need is your hardware. If your hardware ain't right, look at it. That's horrible, dirty. Got a little rust on it. If your hardware ain't, your pads ain't greased up and your hardware ain't good, your brakes ain't gonna be able to slide back and forth like they need to, and it's gonna be sitting on that rotor, causing it to scrub. So that's a lesson, bro. You probably don't need rotors. You probably just need your hardware. But yeah, got my nigga Dre in here. He done pulled up.
Oh yeah, go follow me on Instagram. Still Dre 9380. Do tattoo.
And then I'm finna get me one too. And guys finna hook me up, you know what I'm saying? I like my pop, so I'm gonna get some over here for him. Maybe on his own one or two. It don't matter, but he gonna hook me up.
Bring the business, I got the tattoo.
So y'all fuck with it.
Tap in with Dre, man.
I keep some money.
Got new rotors on it, but man, if y'all can hit his nose, I don't know if y'all can hit it. When you turn it right there, got something to do with his hub assembly. And you just had it replay.
Yep.
But yeah, it's got something to do with that hub assembly. So,
yep.
But for now, we were gonna put new rotors on it, but now we're just gonna put them rotors back on, put some new pads on and some hardware. But like I said, the problem was with the hood. So we just finna go back, put the bracket on, and I forgot to tell y'all the bracket bolts is gonna be an 18 millimeter on them, and then we're gonna go back with the caliper bolts, 14. We ran into a cookie right here. As you can see, if y'all can see, right there, it's a sliding pin on your caliper, and it was kind of froze up. So that's what you might come into when you've been riding on the brakes like that. And just use a sleek C-clamp, push it back in, work with it, and try to work it back in and grease it up, lube it up, and then that should be good. So we got everything back on, caliper, bolts, everything bracket. Now we're gonna go back on with the wheel. gonna do the other side. Get this wheel off. On the other side, get it jacked up.
Yeah,
the other side off. You know what I'm saying? I'll spray it down real quick. Get the new pads on there. Send this motherfucker on his way.
What's that?
Yeah, well, great.
Let's see.
Talk about practice.
Talking about practice. We ain't talking about the game. We talking about practice. You know what I'm saying?
Not the game.
Not the game. Practice.
So there it is. We found the problem. He said he was hearing a scrubbing sound, right? Ain't that what you said?
That's what I said, dog.
So look here. This is the problem. Ain't got no meat on that joker. So yeah, we're gonna check this rotor out, make sure it's alright on the backside. Got it done. This shit was fucked up. We're finna let it down. Moment of truth.
Old cop out part. You know, doing that nigga. I'm taking that over. Goddamn
You ain't taking it off. Right. He gave me a damn piece of tissue.
Yeah.
Tissue. We finna get on this road.
You want to use this motherfucker?
Go to shit. Chill. What that is? What it is? Oh, nah.
That motherfucker gonna have you sideways.